Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here we have the Casio Edifice ECB 30, and as the title of this video says, I'm going to show you how to properly adjust your watch hands, align your watch hands, or how to sync your analog and digital time. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, press and hold this over here Edifice inscribed button for at least 5 seconds and release when 2 zeros begins to flash. So press and hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, and now release it. So when sub appears over here and 2 zeros over here start to flash, then it's the time for you to release this button. Nevertheless, we are now in the position of adjusting our hand alignment. First in a row of setting is aligning our mode hand. Over here, this is the mode hand. And the mode hand should be aligned exactly at these 2 zeros or pointing at these 2 zeros. If it's not, press the light button or start button to move it precisely to these 2 zeros. And I believe this is the correct position. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna press the mode button, and my hands, or the hour and minute hand, should align exactly at 12 o'clock, and they are, well, let's say they are aligned, but we'll fix it. And how to fix it? Well, press this button over here or this button over here to get it aligned exactly at 12 o'clock. If it's way out of the alignment, you can press and hold one of these 2 buttons and it will engage fast rotation of the watch hands. To stop it, simply press again one of those 2 buttons and the watch will stop the rotation of your watch hands. Once you are done and your hands are properly aligned, simply press the adjust button and the watch will now sync your analog and digital time. Let me see what's the time. It's 23 o'clock and 3 minutes and it is correct. So now my hands are properly aligned. Thank you very much for watching yet another video, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.